In this video, you will see how to double space between words in Word document. In Word 2023 or 24, what you need to do is under the Home tab, you need to click here on the Pilcrow icon to see the formatting marks. After clicking on this option, you will start seeing these blue dots. So one dot means one spacing. So right now our document has only single space. Now to make this double spaced document, press Ctrl H on your keyboard and you will see this find and replace box. Now go to the replace tab here and now we will make this single space a double space. To do that, click inside the first box in the find and press spacebar one time, and in the replace with box press the spacebar two times. So this one spacebar will be converted to two spacebar, and then click on replace all. Word will show you how many changes were made. So in this document, 163 single space were converted to double space. Click on OK, and as you can see, before we were seeing only single space. Now there are two dots. That means we have double space between each word. And to remove this blue Pilcrow icons and formatting marks, just click on the Pilcrow icon and the formatting marks will be hidden. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word 2023. See you again in the next one.